In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a loaded source from Google NotebookLM, a powerful AI tool for organizing and managing your notes more efficiently. Navigating digital tools can sometimes be daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage. Once there, in the search bar, type NotebookLM. This tool is part of Google's suite of AI-powered applications and offers an interactive way to manage various types of information in a streamlined manner. Next, from the search results, click on the official NotebookLM website link. This will take you to the main page of the application where you can start managing your notes. Once you're on the website, you'll want to click on the Try NotebookLM button. This action will allow you to access the tool if you're already using it or prompt you to sign in if you're new. After you've accessed the NotebookLM page, proceed by clicking on the Create New button. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of managing your notebook and the sources you've loaded within it. This functionality is beneficial if you're looking to consolidate multiple pieces of research or organize information from various sources. Now that you're within your new notebook, it's time to focus on managing your sources. Click on the Upload Sources button to view the list of all the documents and sources you've previously loaded. This interface is where you have full control over which sources to keep and which ones to remove, according to your project's current needs. Once you have the list of your loaded sources in front of you, look for the source you wish to delete. Next to each source, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots, which will trigger a drop-down menu with additional options for that particular source. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Remove Source. Click this option to proceed with the deletion process. It's a simple and intuitive way to manage your sources directly from the application interface. Finally, the last step to complete the deletion process is to confirm your choice. A confirmation dialog will pop up with the option Delete. Click on this to permanently remove the unwanted source from your notebook. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage and delete sources in Google NotebookLM. This tool's user-friendly interface ensures that you can focus more on your work rather than the logistics of organizing it. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with other features, feel free to leave a comment below.